finally we are seeing some improvements and some pickup on GME. As you see here, the most important, we are getting that curl up. That's what we want, and that's what we were waiting for. So once it goes beyond that $26 and sit as a support on $26, and that will be really massive. So we want this level to make as a support. Let me just zoom in. Make as a support. So we are absolutely good sitting on a 200-day and even on a 50-day moving average, and even the volume is going pretty nice, pretty good. And after this, the next step, of course, that I was discussing, that will be $28, sorry, almost $30, and that will be the consolidation right here. So once, it can also be possible that after we break this out on the top of $26, we can also head towards $32. Once we are above $32, of course, we are getting on 47. But how long exactly this takes? As I told you, now the big earnings are coming. As the big earnings are coming, you are seeing a little change in GME. What's really changing in GME and what's not really changing in GME. So the main thing is when the earnings comes, of course, the big companies, when they release out the earnings, the small stocks or the meme stocks, they really lose the attention. Means there's no more attention on them for a few days or for a few weeks. You can tell in this way. So if this has to be the case, so meanwhile, what can happen is when the earnings comes out, this GME can explode on the positive side, I mean on the north side, which is upside, and we can have, or we can see that small or medium or even a massive short squeeze. But if we see that massive short squeeze, what you're gonna do? Of course, some guys gonna sell it, of course, on their profit, and they're gonna lock the profits, they'll sell it. But again, what's the price target that we are looking to sell this stock, and what's the price target that you guys are thinking that this stock will really go? Just let me know in the comments down that where this stock will head. So look, something I saw really something interesting on a 5-minute chart today. This is a pure consolidation. So thank God that we are on a very good consolidation, that what we are looking. So this is what we are looking, and this is what we want, a pure consolidation. And we don't want to go down, or we don't even want to hold on. So coming back to this, excuse me, just coming back to right here, 1, 2, 3, 3 days back to back. 1, 2, 3, 3 days back to back. We got the same pattern on the same edges. So now you see here we are trending on an upward trend, but with the same pattern as we got repeated from the past 3 days. So as we got these 3 days pattern repeated, and now it's repeating the same, and yesterday the same, and even today the same. So can this really be the hot spot where we can really expect a short squeeze? Of course, this is the beginning of the short squeeze, because we were in the consolidation. Look at the line here I'm drawn here. We were in the consolidation and we broke above that, and we made this as a support, and now we are absolutely killing it. We are absolutely floating on this line of $25. So, well, what happens if it breaks down? I don't think so. It breaks down so easily. It flushes down so easily, because as you see here on a 4-hour chart, that this stock is going on an uptrend, very, very clear uptrend. You see here, very, very clear uptrend. So this is what we want, and this is what we are looking for. And where do you think this stock can really go in coming weeks? So as I told you again, anyone who's holding shares on GME, hold it tight. We will gonna have this massive short squeeze, because volume is not is not really the problem here, because we are sitting on a very good volume. We are sitting on an average good volume, because if the volume really gets thinner and thinner and we are not seeing any volume, there is the problem. But here in our case, we are not seeing the problem. The only problem we are seeing is why it's not having a short squeeze. Of course, patience is the biggest key. And now you see here, look at this, guys. On a 200-day moving average and even 50-day moving average, this stock is sitting above that level. Finally, it broke that. Even look at this entirety of this pattern on a consolidation frame. This stock was going on the sideways, and finally it broke up that 50-day moving average and even 200-day moving average. It broke up above all those, and now it started trending on an uptrend. But this blue line, what do you see right here? That is 50-day moving average, and we want this stock to sit on that 50-day moving average. And if it sits that, we again are on a very good path for the short squeeze, because everything takes time. Of course, it might take time, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months. Now it has been already 2 months that we are waiting for this guy to really show that what this stock really got. So any of you guys who really are holding GME shares and are expecting the massive short squeeze from this stock, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and forward the video. I'm making these videos for you guys, for you to have knowledge where the stock is really heading and how we can get, and what is the first point that we can get out of the stock. I think $47 can be kind of level that we can get out of the stock, but not for the entire position. Some of the shares, but depends on all you. Again, if you want to know more, you can join the Discord as we day trade, swing trades, and even for the long terms. But right now, the market is going kind of slow, and you can see my personal investments, where I'm doing, in what stocks I'm buying, what stock I'm selling. You can make profit from those, as you can even trade side by side with me. And follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. You can follow me on Instagram. And thank you for watching this GME. We are finally making a good move. We are on a very good path that is sitting on a 200-day and 50-day moving average. We made as a support. Finally, we made as a support, and we want this support to continue, and we can make an uptrend if the support continues, and absolutely we can kill it. So thanks so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description, and join the group. You will enjoy, and we'll make a big beautiful community, and you can make some profit and grow your portfolios. See you next time.